Startup City Boy speaking. Why the Japanese women are always in socks? Simply because instead of washing the floor with rags, they simply use their socks and they pull it out. This is a long sock right up to the knee. If you are in cold season, the most important part that gets frozen is your toes. So whenever you are putting on shoes or anything, make sure you have a double layer of the toe side of the sock. The next is your ankles. So here you have rubber that is holding your ankles and feeling comfortable with it. Startup City Boy speaking. The next is your knee. You also have a band on your legs so that you feel comfortable doing anything. Where this came from is from the ballerinas that used to dance on ice. Startup City Boy speaking.